Hello and welcome back to 605 Sports Cards. Devin here, diving back into some 2022 Panini Prism for the NFL. Everybody's very familiar with this. It is a fun product to rip. Lots of color parallels. These are Target, which is where I seem to have the most luck finding Prism here. So green parallels, light blues, and a silver. Walmart here does not seem to really stock much for cards. So no the red, white, and blue coming here. So Target it is. I do, from what I've seen, I kind of enjoy these better. I think the greens look a little better than the red, white, and blue parallels out of those. But I wouldn't mind having them just to have a little more variety. But we're sticking with Target. So let's get into it here. Got our base and a Tony Pollard blue. Nice little color match there. Cool looking card. See if we can get these sleeves to cooperate a little better today. They always seem to fit very tight. They're a little thicker, but just need a little wider so they take the cards better. All right, pack 2. DJ Moore. Maurice Jones-Drew, Michael Gallup getting a rookie here in the Dallas Cowboys box, which I don't mind. I'm a group of Cowboys fan, so we'll hang on to those. Monroe St. Brown, Dante Culpepper, Terry McLaurin, and a green rookie, Sam Williams. It is every colored card so far, Cowboys. That is very weird. So this will be, I think Optics coming out, but we're getting close to the end of this year's product for these rookies. And we'll be hopefully seeing next year's rookie class, which is going to be very exciting. Dallas Goedert and Drake Jackson rookie. Some nice green there. With all the skill players, quarterbacks, early running backs taken, receivers, it's going to be a fun year next year, I think. And hopefully some more surprises like Brock Purdy come out of that class. Brett Favre and silver Emmitt Smith. Won't be sad about that. And nice brilliance on the Tom Brady here. So not tons of Cowboys. And our one silver is Emmitt Smith, which I'm a very big running back collector from the 90s. So I'm happy with that card. Add it to the wall on the back. The similar one you can see. There's a lot of Emmitt Smith, Marshall Faulk, and Barry Sanders. David Njoku, Christian Kirk, another rookie of Kenneth Walker. That's a nice rookie card, green, and a rookie Skylar Thompson. So that was a fairly decent box of retail Prism there. A lot of PC cards, and then we're going to put the nice Tom Brady and Kenneth Walker. Hopefully he can come out his second season and continue rolling. Second box. Prism was a very nice product this year. Another David Njoku, Jalen Waddle, Tom Brady base. Not a rookie blue, but Jamal Adams. Ed Reed, Maurice Jones-Drew, Ken Anderson, and Tyler Algier for a rookie card. It'll be exciting. Hopefully a few more quarterbacks from this class of 2022 get a few more chances to start. And there's a base, Emmitt Smith. Quinn Williams, we got backwards cards, so it looks like it's probably going to be a mem. We'll go with our green first. Rookie, George Pickens. It's another nice rookie there. And pull it down here. Flip it over. So, these are usually just rookies, I believe. And it's going to be Treylon Burks, so not a bad mem card there. Get a thicker sleeve for it. That'll fit. There we go. It's a nice mem card as well. Nice couple boxes of retail. I don't think I've hit a Brock Purdy out of any of the Prism. He kind of disappeared. I think I have one out of Mosaic and a Don Russ. No name, but he has vanished since then. Teddy Bruschi and Greg Dulcich rookie. And it seems like San Francisco is going to give him a chance and stick with him next year. So that's good for anybody that's been holding on to his cards. Kyler Murray, Rashawn Slater, not a rookie. Pat Freiermuth, and Bailey Zappi on the emergent with a very warped card. And silver. All right, final pack. If you want to keep seeing more videos, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. And I enjoyed all the feedback and hearing what everybody else has hit. Let me know what you pulled out of Prism so far now. It's been out for a while. Have you hit any autographs out of retail or any of the short prints for big names? We got our rookie here of Boy Mayfield. And our final card is a rookie of Arnold Ebiketie. So that'll do it for those. We can take a little look here at what our bigger hits are. Cowboys weren't really big hits, but for me, personal cards, I'll enjoy them. Along with a nice Emmitt Smith silver. And I guess a Tony Pollard blue. So lots of Cowboys. It's a nice Treylon Burks patch there, relic. George Pickens rookie. Kenneth Walker green rookie. And you know, nice color match Dallas Goedert. So, you know, it was a fun rip. Pretty decent cards. Hit some of the rookies. And that'll do it for this video. If you'd be so kind to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.